Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. In this video, I want to tell you why I don't like thick, soft pillows. So, when I travel, I go to different hotels, and I notice that the pillows that they give usually are very thick and very soft, and I just don't like them. We sleep on the average 7 to 9 hours, a day. If you're not sleeping that many hours, then you should, because you need that much time for your body to heal, to regenerate. Okay, so if you're sleeping that many hours, you want your neck and your spine to be in a very good position so you won't wake up in pain. All right. So now, these hotels, or even at home, if you have these thick, soft pillows, it will not give you the proper support for your neck while you're sleeping. I prefer something that's thin, right? And ideally something that's very firm. And I mentioned in a different video why I don't sleep with a pillow when I actually have my neck pains, because I do suffer from neck pains from time to time. And during those times, I actually sleep without the pillow. But on a regular basis, I would like to sleep with a pillow, but one that's thin, as probably as thick as my shoulder, because I'm not a very big guy, and also at the same time, one that's very firm. And let me tell you why that is important. All right. So when you're lying down, so if your pillow is, if you have one of those, like, thick and soft pillows, so one, if it's thick, it's gonna be pushing your head up like this. So you're sleeping the whole night with your neck like this, and that will strain the muscles. That will tire out the muscles. You're gonna get muscle spasms, and then that will lead to pain. All right. So, or if it's thick and soft, so it's pushing it up, but at the same time, your head sinks in, so your spine will be in an awkward position the whole time that you're sleeping. So that can make you suffer from neck pain also if you do that over a prolonged period of time, or even just in one night. That's 7 9 hours. That's a long time. I prefer something like this, that it's as thick as, it's thin enough, it's as thick as my shoulder. I prefer, ideally it's gonna be firm, so it gives me proper support for my neck. So my spine will be supported there, the muscles are relaxed, right? And that way, so if my spine is supported and my muscles are relaxed, that will get me a comfortable sleep. My body will be able to heal, to regenerate. I wake up with more energy. At the same time, I won't wake up with a strain on my neck. I won't wake up in pain because of muscle spasm, because of a weird position. So that's why I don't like those thick, soft pillows, and that's why I prefer something that's thin, and that's why I prefer a very firm pillow, just to give me better support for the neck. All right. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this benefited you. Feel free to leave your comments below. I would love to hear them. Feel free to share this with people you know. You can follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can get more tips and videos. All right. So this is Reggie, and I'll see you on the next video on how to end chronic pain. Bye.